Okay, let's continue the properties of addition and multiplication. We have 6 properties of addition and multiplication, prep 1. Let's start. The first one is called a closure property, which means if we have a box, a closed box, and we put an operation inside it, can we put addition and then we open the box and found it subtraction? Can we put multiplication and we open this box and found it multiplication or division? So we can't. So here closure property, it means a closed box, a property that we have rational. If we have a rational here plus a rational, it should be the answer a rational number. If we didn't get a rational number, this means it's not a closure property. So let's go and make. Here we have 4 over 2 plus half. Let's go and make it. We have same denominator in addition. So this means I will go and leave the denominator as it is and just add the numerators together, which means 5 over 2. So whenever we have a rational plus a rational and it gives me a rational number, this is called a closure property. Okay? If we have another example in multiplication, 1 over 3 times 4 over 6 equal. Here we said in multiplication, multiply the two numerators together and multiply the two denominators together. So we have a rational times a rational. It should be a rational number, the answer. So 1 times 4, it will be 4. 6 times 3, it will be 18. Let's go and get the answer in the simplest form, which means 2 over 9. So it's a rational number also, okay? So the closure property, it means rational plus rational equal rational, so it's a closure. Rational times rational equal rational, so it's a closure. Let's take the other property, second property, which is commutative property. We have half plus third equal. What is the property is talking about? Commutative property, it means change order, but leave the fraction or the rational as it is. We have half plus third, and we have here equal. This means equal sign. This means I should go and take and found the same rational number in the other side. But here I have half plus third. So half here is first and third here is second. What did I find after equal? I found third become first and half become second. So just I change the order. If I change the order, I will reach the same answer or not? Yes. So he put here equal sign between both of them. So whenever you put a rational number plus a rational number and then you put equal and you change the order of both of them, this is called a commutative property. Okay, how about here? 2 over 3 times 1 over 4. So this is the first 2 over 3 and the second 1 over 4. What do we have after equal? We have 1 over 4 times 2 over 3. So this means he changed the order of it. So this is called commutative property. So the commutative property, it means leave the rational number as it is, but change the order. If it's first, put it second. If it's second, put it first. Okay, let's go to the associative property. The third property. What is the meaning of associative? Associative, it means brackets. Okay, so here we don't change the order of the rational number. We leave the rational number as it is. We have equal as we said. So we have half plus third plus quarter. Okay, and here we have, and here we have after equal, we have half plus third plus quarter. But what's happened from here to here? From right side to the left side, what happened? Here we have the bracket on the first two numbers. And then we have the bracket on the last two numbers. Yes. The answer will be different? No, the answer will not be different. If we put the bracket on the first two rational number and get the answer and then add the answer to 1 over 4, it's like the same when you add 1 over 3 plus 1 over 4 and you get the answer and add it to half. Both of them the same meaning because we didn't change the rational number. Here we have half, third, quarter. So it's the first, second, third. So we didn't change the order of the rational number. Just we put the bracket on the first two and then we go and put the bracket on the last two. It's the same. When you got the answer, it will be the same. If we have multiplication also, half times 2 over 7 times 5 over 6, and we said equal. And we put here the bracket on the first two, and then we go and leave the rational numbers as it is. Did you see the rational number as it is? And we put the bracket on the first two, and then we go and put the bracket on the last two. So this property is called associative property.